match tomorrow as far as in good form. They have lots of experienced players. We signed lots of new players, which I'm happy. The only issue is that we need basically time to gel in because you cannot do everything overnight. The under 23 boys arrived last night. They just trained this morning with us. The other players, 4 of them were in the national team. They did 2 trainings with us. So we need a little bit time to prepare all of them what we want to do on the pitch and how to play. But I think that slowly everything is getting better.
For players coming new, so we have good spot. We are ready to play tomorrow. Everyone wants to be perceived, but we are ready. We training almost 2 weeks. We are fit enough to win games. So this is what we need to win games.
Silakan,